How you doing, everybody? I am Scott Jelnick with the Master Investor Academy, and I wanted to take you into a house today that one of my coaching clients, Dennis, just brought me to today. You are going to appreciate the inside of this house. Hold on one second. Say hello, Dennis.
How you doing, everybody?
Look at this.
Welcome to this fine property.
Look at this champ of a house. All right, let's go.
Kitchen.
He told me it was move-in ready.
You see, this is the part right here.
Wow, this is nice.
I don't know, this is an add-on. What the
You
hell?
got a lot of stuff.
Right here. And we're back in the roof up here.
It's not we're upstairs. That's their bottle collection. All right.
This is the bathroom.
Can't see the bathroom much. Oh, that's nice.
This is a skylight.
A skylight. Very nice. All right, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the inside of Dennis's ugly house.